Hi y'all. So, student is sitting right up there, so you could use some X-ray vision and see right through that bunk. You'll see the student up there. So, there's a few changes to the truck this year. One, I'm sicker than a dog. Oh, that's one part. And then, come on. Trust me, I'm not calling the student. Come here. She's making me look like a fool. We did this a second ago. Alright, look. Puppers. So, as some of you guys might know, if you guys been watching my YouTube channel, my mama has not been doing very well. You know, my dad had passed away a little while ago. Some of you guys know some of the backstory on that. But, you know, my mama's health is not doing real good. So I had to talk to my terminal manager, or leader, and Pup's now on my truck, and just going through the process. It you know, morally it's making me feel good. It's kind of nice having a dog on the truck. Student who's up there who you can't see, unless you have X-ray vision. You know, she likes her. Yeah, she does her own thing. She kind of behaves really well. Don't bark, none of that. So, you know, there's going to be a few videos with her showing up now. Yeah, so she's going to be in my truck, but she's really old. So, hopefully she's going to be on this YouTube channel for a long time. So, that's going to be an update for 2019. I almost said 2018. Oh my God, I'm feeling sick as hell. We just went to this little Mexican place down the way. Man, it was freaking good food. I'm kind of bouncing all over, aren't I? ADHD sucks. But I'm going home after this video. I'm literally recording this video. I'm gonna upload it. So this video was just recorded. We're doing a load tomorrow. It's like 200 some odd miles. Tomorrow will be the 30th, and we're going home. I'm not feeling well. I'm not sure if I'm going to go home for a day, 2 days. I'm taking a lot of medication. I'm hoping that I could blow through this sickness. She's sick too. I hope you have X-ray vision. If you do, let me know. If you have X-ray vision, what am I wearing? So, yeah. There was something else I was going to say. I don't remember. Fuck it, I don't remember. I'm not feeling very well, guys, as you can probably tell. I'm stuffy as hell. I'm trying not to cough on this video. It's been exactly 3 minutes and 5 seconds I haven't coughed. I'm shocked. One thing I'll say, you know what, when you're driving and you're sick, you gotta know what your limit is. Don't drive if you're too sick. Alright, you gotta drive within your capability. I'm right at that limit to where I'm just not gonna drive. You know, I'm sick every which way it's coming out. Use your own imagination on what that means. Yeah, so this is gonna be the last video for 2018. Thank you for everybody who has subscribed for my 2018 video. I'm sorry this video absolutely sucks for the end of 2018. Beginning of 2019, or when I'm not sick, I'm going to do a recap of 2018 yearly income. I'm going to be talking with my tax accountant. This is like the third time I've done this video. So I'll be talking with my tax accountant, getting all my taxes filed. All that information will be posted to you guys. For, you know, transparency. I pronounced that word totally wrong. So, I got some video content coming. I'm just sick. So, subscribe. 2019 is going to be an awesome year. I'm going to aim for over 6 digits. I think I got close to 6 digits this year. If not, I'm fairly close. I'm within 10G of it. Next year, I'm going to hit well into 6 digits. I'm going to bust some butt. I'm going to take some names. And guess what? Y'all are coming for the ride. Next year, we also got some free cars coming. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh, shit. So I got some free cars. Got a lot coming to you. I got to fix my truck. I haven't gotten around my truck like I said. You know what? This video is done. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up for me taking all this time to make this video like 3-4 times. I don't even know it anymore. Hopefully this video is good. Subscribe.